latte.
Latte for Alex.
Yeah.
This is your brain having 70,000 thoughts a day. And most of them repeat themselves.
What should I order?
Same doubts.
You should go out.
Same distractions.
Here's my check engine light.
Same loops.
Get in jail. Delete TikTok.
Stop being late. Call my mom.
Should I quit my job?
These aren't new. Slow down.
Be present.
Send that email.
What's the point?
They're just loud. Am I successful? If I fail, check your official let's don't fucking hell, not good enough. But you don't have to believe every thought you think.
Check your phone.
Underneath all that noise,
Drive a nice car. Focus on the moment. Be present.
there's something else. Something still.
Same as always.
You're not your thoughts. You're the one who notices them.